There are 5 factors that we need to consider when planning our container garden location. So if we consider these factors, we are setting our garden up for success. Okay, number 1 is sun requirements. The good thing about containers is that you can move them to more sun or more shade if you need to, but it's better to not to have to move your containers all the time. So for growing greens, I look for full sun in the spring, winter, and fall. And for growing greens in the summer, I look for afternoon shade. Now for fruiting plants such as tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, green beans, and squash, I look for full sun all day with a minimum being 8 hours. Now if it's too hot in the middle of the day, I can use shade cloth to cut the sunlight. All right, number 2 is close to water. Is it easy to get water to the garden? If it's hard to get water to the garden, it may not get the care that it needs. Number 3 is safe from animals and kids. Will it get stepped on by pets or kids? Is there an option to be able to fence the garden? Number 4, is there enough space for all the plants that I want to grow? So think about how much space you're going to need before you decide on an area. Also, is there space for expansion? With a successful garden, we tend to want to grow more plants the following year. All right, number 5, is it close enough to the kitchen that I will visit the garden frequently? It's important to have the garden close to you so you can care for it easily and can visit it daily to see if it needs any care. I like my garden close because I like to run out and pick dinner right before I cook it. So wander around your yard and patios and think about the sun, water, safety, space, and proximity to the kitchen before you create your garden. If you'd like to learn more about where to locate your garden, you can jump into our High Performance Garden Show. There we teach you all about garden locations so you can have your best success. There's over 300 episodes for you to learn from, and it's free, it's online, and you can find it at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show or click the link below.